Hey everybody, just a quick update before the end of the year. I know we got some cool stuff coming in 2024. This is my first renovation in 8 years. I'm super excited about it. The guys are doing a great job getting it all shipped out and broken out. You can see they had lots of pop-ups. I'll get some scan views cut in here, but you know, we're getting our double saw cut along tile line. Got our mud rings popped up out. We're starting to break our pop-ups. We've got our stabilization holes drilled, and they broke out the lane rope anchors. We're gonna put all new anchors in and all that stuff. So super cool. I'm excited to see this one come together. It's a fairly big remodel. We got yeah, so we've got a pretty cool remodel here. This is the grotto pool, upper pool that flows into the lower pool. You can see here the tile is stained. We've double saw cut, chipped out, gotten around all our apertures, starting to get the walls and pop-ups stripped out, roughen things up to receive new plaster. We've got our wall steps out, pool lights are kind of laying around. We've only gotten about 1 day of work in because of the weather, but they will be getting all new mud rings for the main drains. Here we can see we've got our 2 8-inch sumps there. This is the smaller pool, and then this is the spillover into the 2,000 square foot lagoon pool. Again, we've got big 12 by 12 and 18 by 18 sumps here to run the water features and the waterfalls. So we'll be getting new large drain covers on these guys, as well as more 8x8s for the filtration system. And all these skimmers have been plugged up so that we don't get debris in them. And so we've just got more breakout to do, and hopefully we'll be plastering inside of a week once if the weather holds and we get the shells cleaned up and bond coated. So it's super exciting. First renovation that I've done in 8 years. Not sure how many years it's been since Pool Sure did a replaster, but super exciting stuff. Hopefully we're gonna get the cleanup done early next week, get it prepped, bond coated, ready for plaster, and maybe possibly even plastered before Christmas, which would just be absolutely awesome. We got to do some tile cleaning, and some coping stones are getting replaced and things like that. So coming along here at San Montego, my first renovation in 8 years, but it's looking good, and it's super exciting. I'm gonna go measure. So anyway, I've got to hop in the pool and check out these sumps. That's the reason for my visit, is to come make sure that the drain covers that we've selected that were dropped off earlier are going to be can be used on the sumps in the main pool, because they're a certain size. We want to confirm that we're going to be compliant with ANSI PHTA ICC 7, which is the suction entrapment and avoidance standard for swimming pools, spas, hot tubs, and catch basins. So we're going to get that all measured and ready and squared away so that the plaster guys know that those covers that we've got, which sumps they go on, and that they're going to be compliant with the flow rates and the sump sizes. You can go to phta.org to check out those standards and read them for free on their website, which is pretty cool, and see what I'm talking about. But anyway, that's all I've got. Have a great weekend, and I'm hoping to show you guys an update before the end of the year of this thing filling. So see you then. Bye.